Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 5, arithmetic progression, exercise 5.2, question 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? So let's try to understand the question. Which term? So they are asking us a term, not the AP, right? So which term of the AP? AP is given to us. So what is given to us is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on and on and on. So we don't know, right? So which term of the AP that is given to us will be 132 more than its 54th term? 54th term. So let's write down. This is first term. Either we write A or A1. It's the same. So then this is second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. And so on and on. Then we have 54th term because it is given to us. So we have 54th term. Then we don't know what term it is. And we don't know because we have to find out which term. Right? So here what they are trying to tell us. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? Meaning to tell, whatever may be the answer here, you think maybe here 54th term is Y. We don't know. Okay, let me write down this. Okay, we don't know. Here AP is given to us. Here what would be, we don't know. So the 54th term of AP is Y. Okay, whatever may be the answer. Then the nth term of this will be whatever may be the answer here, but will be more 132 will be more than the 54th term. I hope you are understanding. So whatever may be the 54th term is here, but the nth term here will be 132 more along with whatever may be the answer of this nth term. In that 132 will be more than Y, means more than 54th term. Here 132 will be more. Okay. So what is they trying to tell us is, we have to find out which is the term we have 132 more than 54th term. So whatever may be the number here, but the answer that we have here will be extra 132 will be more than the of this extra will be 132 more for this term, right? So let's try to put it properly. So we can write down this like this. So this is AN. So let's write down AN. Okay, AN. So this AN will be whatever may be of 54th term. So whatever may be the 54th term, with that plus 132 is more. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So here whatever we have will be with 54th term plus 132 will be more. Now you understand? So whatever may be the nth term, so which term? So whatever may be the nth term, that will be 54th term plus 132 together will be the nth term. Means 132 will be more than 54th term of this. Okay. So now let's write down the values. First write down the A value. A is given to us 3. Then D. D is what? A2 minus A1. So 15 minus 3 will give us 12. And then AN we don't know. So we have to find out. But then AN is equal to 54th term plus 132. More it is. Okay, 54th term plus 132 will be more. Together it will be nth term. So now let's write down this equation. Okay, your formula you know it. Formula is what? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so an can be written. So let me write down once again this a54 plus 132. Okay, so whatever answer it is will be 54th term plus 132 will be more. Okay, so an can we write like this: a plus n minus 1 d equal to, now a54 also can be write down. If it is a54, then will give us a plus 54 minus 1d will give us a plus 53d. So a54 can be written like this: a plus 53d. Now this plus here and this 132 here. So now next step, a value we know, d value we know, because we have a value and we have d value. So let's put it that. So 3 plus n minus 1, d we know 12. So a is 3 plus 53, d is 12 plus 132. So now let's bring this 3 to the other side. So we will have here n minus 1, 12. This is 3 plus 53 into 12 will give us, okay, let's keep this as it is. Okay, this we have written as it is. Now bring this plus 3 into this side, will become minus 3. So plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. So then we have 53 into 12 will give us 636. Then this plus 132. So now n minus 1. Now 636 plus 132 will give us 768. And this 12, we bring it to this side, it will come to division. So if we are dividing, we will get 64. So now n equal to 64. This is minus 1. When it comes this side, it will become plus 1. So n value becomes 65. Okay. So what is this? The 65th term will be more than the 54th term, more 132 more than its 54th term. So our answer will be A65 will be more than its 54th term. So if you want to check it, we can check it, but no need to verify, only for your understanding. Now we will see to it. See, A54 is what? A54 equation we have written like this, right? A54. This A54 we have written, this A54 we wrote like this, right? And this D value we had put, okay? So then when you multiply this, what you will get here? 3 plus 53 into 12. 53 into 12 gave us 636. 3 plus 636. So will give us 639. So A54 gives us 639. Now A65, let us see. A plus 64D. So A value is 364 into 12. So will give us 3 plus 768. Will give us 771. So A65. So 54th term is 639. 65th term is 771. So let us minus from 771 minus 639 will give us 2, 3. You see? So this is 65th term. 771 is more than the 54th term. How much more? By 132 is more. So 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. This you don't need to do in the exam. It is for your understanding. I hope you understood. So 65th term, 65th term will be more than its 54th term. Okay, this I forgot, right? Will be 132. Will be 132. Okay, so 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. So you see, 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. So here you have 132 more, here you have 54th term is less. So 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. I hope now the concept is clear. Thank you and God bless you.